Hey guys, welcome back to the off-grid cabin out here at St. Bernard Acres. This is Saturday, June 17th. High today in the 60s. Now mind you, 2 days ago, we had heat waves, heat warnings, excessive heat, 105 index, and today it's going to be in the 60s. Go figure. But we had a ton of storms during the week, and you can see the mowing and everything has to be done. My project today is to put gutters up on the back of the cabin to get ready for the rain catchment project that I'm going to be doing. But I got to get the gutters up so I can measure lengths and everything of what the rest that I need. So I want to hang some gutters. I've never done that before, so it'll be a learning experience for us both. I'll show you. Number one, I got to get everything cleaned up back here and weed eated. You can see how everything's just taken over from this rain. And I'll cut all that down. I got both my weed eaters here of different kinds. The gutters, you'll notice, I don't know if you can tell or not, there's a shade difference in them. There's a company over by where my house is in Wheeling that does gutters and vinyl siding, all that kind of stuff. They make gutters. Well, guess what? They have a scratch and dent section. And I went over there because, they're $4.25 a foot for gutters, So I went over there to see what they had in their scratch and dents. It's going on the back of the cabin and nobody will see it anyway. And I got, these pieces are about 9 feet long each. I needed 16 foot. But I got these. I got a bag of screws, end caps, down tube, the hangers, that, all of it for $54. I'm like, hell yes, I'll take it. And so I'm gonna put that stuff up today. I forgot to get one of the seam things to put it together, but since it's going back there, I'll figure out a way. And this ladder, if you notice, it's a Werner. I didn't realize that's what it was when I bought it. But it's one of those things that goes out into the scaffold or A-frame or all kinds of crap. One of those. I paid $30 for that at a yard sale. And it's all aluminum, so, you bring it out to help me with the gutters. But yeah, let me get started here weed eating and trying to clean out the back of behind the cabin so I can get some room. I'll be back. Okay, one of the fun things about buying scratch and dent is you sometimes have to work with it. This is aluminum, so it's real easy to bend and unbend. But they've got to cut at a weird angle. I've got to put an end cap on this. I have to put one of these get the right one. I have to put this on here like so. Well, they've got it cut at a weird angle. I got to try to get a straight cut. Then I can screw that on. Just a pair of tin snips that I had in the cabin. Hopefully these will work. That's a little better. Get it back into shape now. Okay. Now, let's try to get this back in here. Alright. That'll work. Now these brackets are pretty simple. You gotta put one every couple of feet. And they just simply hook in here, like so, and then slip down over that. And that's it. That's how it goes. And then you screw this in until it hits to there. And that'll go through this and into your fascia. And that's what you want. Let me get a tape measure real quick. Alright, there's a piece. It's ready to hang. I didn't do this end down here because this is where I have to slide the second piece over that one or under that one and then screw them together to get my attachment. It looks like it might be a 2, 4, 6, 8, 8, 9 foot piece. So let me get set up here to hang this one. Alright, go ahead and laugh at me now like an idiot. See my camera over there? It's a good idea sometimes to check to see if you have a battery in it. When hit record, it lasted about 2 minutes. But you can see the gutter is up. You know what? 2 things I got to say about it. 3 things, 4 things, whatever. It ain't done right. Now I can trim around the stuff, but the drip edge wasn't put on right. This is what you get when you're working with all scrap material. You just kind of make do. And you know what? This will get me rainwater. Doesn't look pretty, but it's going to do what I need it to do. I got more of a slope than I wanted, but again, one person trying to do it is what you get. But it's up there. It's solid. 2 different colors, but you know what? Now I can put it all together. And I can cut and wrap around now. Like I said, it ain't perfect. The way I did the fascia boards and that rake board was an afterthought. And I didn't do it right, so I didn't get the drip edge quite right because, well, not everything was right. But you know what? It'll do the trick. That's all I need. And like I said, it's the back side of the cabin. But man, what a pain in the butt. And wasps, holy cow, there's plenty of wasps up there. Had to go get a can of wasp spray and spray it and then just keep watching them. But got the gutter up. Now I can set the barrels up, figure out what I'm gonna do. But everything back here is cleaned up. Gutter's on. I can get to my barrels. And I can figure out how to do the rain catchment and get all that set up. And got the mess out of here pretty much. Walk on down. Figure that's a nice parking spot for the van. All mowed, looking pretty. But let me show you the surprise. All right, let me show you what I did in here. While all that was, I was cutting all that, this was all drying. And we have a kitchen coming back. Check it out. Look at it. I love it. I have to cut a countertop for that drawer base, but yeah, doesn't interfere with the door. And now do some cooking out here. Heck yeah, it's getting back together. But I love that. Those things turned out so nice. Holy cow. All right, there's your little tease. Solar's doing fantastic. Where are we at? 27.4. Sun's going down. But now, Monday I'll be out here. My project's to clean all this up again and start making this cabin livable again. Getting rid of all the construction out of here and working on the loft. All right. Hope you all enjoyed this video, this little update. This is Saturday the 17th. I'm out.